Hi everyone, welcome to another exciting video. I received my first cash envelope sinking fund system that I ordered from Etsy. I've already pre-cut it so I can just open it, but I will leave the information of the Etsy shop that I purchased it from. I'm really excited because I've never had an official cash envelope system binder that I see so many of you guys have, and let me figure out how to open this. But I ordered this on Friday of last week, July 1st, I believe. Actually, it was Saturday, and it arrived yesterday, which is Thursday, so it arrived in less than a week, so that's really exciting. I'm really happy with it. So again, my first official cash envelope system. And I just want to unbox it here with you guys and kind of go through the envelopes that I chose for the system. I've never done something official like this. I have tried cash envelopes in the past, a couple years ago when I started getting into budgeting, but it didn't really work out for me. But as you know, people change, systems change, circumstances change, and I've always liked updating and upgrading our systems, the way we organize money, etc. So I have done a little bit of like cash envelope sinking fund for one specific category that we'll go over. But yeah, so let's get into it. So I ordered what they called rose pink, or rose pink. I believe that's what it was called. So here is the cute binder. Beautiful color. And then let me just go ahead and open this. But essentially I ordered 10 envelopes, and actually it was actually really hard to figure out what categories. I may end up ordering more as I see what fits best. But yeah, I think this is a good start. Look at this cute pen. It comes with it. You don't get to pick, but she gives you a really nice pen, so that's nice. And so here are the envelopes, and here are the balance sheets, I guess. So that's nice. Okay, so first one here, which is the whole reason why I even bought the system, is called ofrenda, and that's a Spanish word that I believe translates to giving. And so kind of a quick story on this is that ofrenda for us is given at church. So tithing is one thing and it's separate, and we do that, but then there's also ofrenda. So every time you go to a service, they collect what they call an ofrenda. And so my thing is that since I've always been a card user, I hardly ever carry cash, but I was struggling to continue to go to the bank to get cash for it. So this is why I bought the whole system, because I need to cash stuff and for ofrenda so that I will always have cash and won't have to be running to the bank all the time. So that's the first and most important category and the whole reason why I bought this. So second category I got was self-care, and this is really for both Augie and I. And so anything to do with haircuts. He gets haircuts twice a month. And then like anything, nails, brows on my end. This is all for me, the nails and brows. And then for both of us, I could also be putting money towards facials. And then I think I'm gonna get a haircut this year, so that would be self-care. And then I got an envelope for myself. if you saw my budget with me, I did allocate $50 this month, but it would be nice to see how I do with the cash system. I've always kind of done it electronically, and it's worked out for the most part, but we'll see how it works. And I got one for the hubby, so one for Augie. So yeah, one for him, just more of a, so these are more like sinking funds, you know, if he ever wants to buy something, he'll have money in there. So Alexis is for our daughter, so we'll be creating a sinking fund for her. And then home maintenance. So I mentioned that I've never had an official system like this, but one cash envelope / sinking fund that I have had, and I would just use a regular envelope, like the ones that you send out mail with, is home maintenance. We have an older home, and although we've renovated a good part of it, there's always a lot of maintenance that is required. So and we like to pay that with cash. So that's an important one. Clothing, we don't really do a lot of shopping in terms of clothing. We're trying to be more minimalists these days, but we do buy things that get worn out. So I know 2 things coming up soon is we need new shoes. Me especially, I tend to buy one pair of shoe and just wear it over and over again, and then I'll just buy another one when I need it. And then I also need to buy maternity clothes because I am getting close to 7 months and some of my clothes are not fitting. And then gifts, pretty straightforward. Sinking fund for gifts. There's always a birthday party. There's been a lot of baby showers lately. So gifts is for that. Getaways. So getaways, it's interesting. This could also, for a lot of people, it's vacation, right? But I might, in the future, depending on how our finances go, get another one for vacation. But getaways, Aggie and I, we kind of work a lot, which is a good and bad thing at the same time. But sometimes we aren't able to go on long vacations, and so instead what we tend to do and is do like weekend getaways, you know, somewhere not too far that it requires flying out of state or anything, but you know, a couple hours away, up in a cabin, up in an Airbnb. So it would be nice to have a sinking fund for that. And then family fun, since we are a family of 3, or my daughter will be born in October. I decided to put one for family fun. This could also be for, we sometimes have barbecues or just get-togethers with family members. So this would be for that, because when that does happen, everyone kind of contributes to bringing food or purchasing stuff, so that can be considered family fun. So that's it for today. I'm really excited to get started, and I really love this type of quality of envelope. It's really nice. So again, this is just kind of my initial system. We'll see how it goes. I'm really excited, and then hopefully we'll have a cash stuffing next week, if not the following week. But stay tuned for another video next week. I'll be posting weekly videos. So thanks for watching. Bye.